you want to move away from deer. You don't get this in your backyard.
I love this.
You get this every year in your backyard. You know what I'm saying? Dennis over there can't stand it. But I told you he wasn't over with.
I'm so glad.
What?
Dud.
No, they're not. That's the way that's just the way they are. Now they're going to get faster. He is.
He is. Because he's incredible.
That ain't over.
Incredible. And beautiful.
Ain't nothing yet. You haven't seen nothing yet. The first year we were here, I watched it. He does it the first of the year too.
Yeah, I know. On New Year's.
Yeah.
Look over there.
What?
Every time probably that Indian guy. I love that.
He ain't gonna touch this guy here.
Last year. Love that one. Love it, love it.
Mm-hmm. It's been 3 minutes already.
That's it?
A little bit over.
See how long he does for.
He hasn't finished yet.
I know he did it forever last year.
He's got a lot more coming.
I can only hope.
He's just resetting. Oh, his finale. The finale hasn't come yet. Watch.
Ken acted like he was mad.
See him down there with the flashlight? Who said he was mad?
Nobody. He just seems weak.
No. Seemed like it last night.
Did it?
To me.
He's probably on Spock something.
I don't know. I don't care what anybody's on. So long they stay away from me when they're doing it.
You want to be next to Daddy.
You can't get up here with me.
What's the fire with?
I'm gonna put her somewhere.
Just tie her up.
You can't get up here with me.
Come here.
So long as she's next to me, she's not.
What fire?
Yeah, I know.
Now she's gonna pull me. She's gonna have her taking my chair with me.
Oh, you're too heavy. You're heavier than
It's okay. Sit down. Lay down. It's okay. Daddy's right here. It's not gonna hurt the babies. It's okay. Watch the pretty lights. Look at the pretty lights. Come here. Come here and look at the pretty lights, babies.
Look. Look at the light.
Look, come here. Come here, look. Come here. What? He's been doing this the whole time. Oh my God, there's more going off over there. Somebody else is starting. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
You okay, Dan?
No, guys. Why has she got to be out here? It's really hurting her ears is the problem. Their ears are sensitive. Are you watching it? Yeah, watch it with the data. Yeah, it's pretty. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, it's pretty. Daddy's watching it. Yeah, Daddy's watching it. Yes, he is. Daddy's watching it. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. It's okay. It's okay, baby girl. It's all right. Oh my God.
Rowdy.
It's going off every fucking where. I can't get up. Oh my God.
ride?
Yeah, let her in. Best show you've ever seen?
They're going off everywhere. Another show's going off over here in a minute ago.
I know, I saw it.
It's getting ready to go off in a minute. He's going. Another person's going to start in a minute. Yeah, how much money this cost?
Nice little baby.
At least 10 grand.
Really?
At least. That's how much they love America.
Best show I've
Huh?
ever been. Best show I've ever
Yeah.
been. Huh, you too?
Been going on for 12 minutes so far. Uh-oh.
Right in the town.
Dixie.
What?
Dixie's hiding.
Oh, honey. I petted her when I
Oh,
Look at that one.
made the whole deck.
Sit down there.
Yeah, I gotta go in a minute.
You ain't done.
Grand finale's coming.
You can see the mountains.
I could swear last year it seemed like it went on for hours.
No,
Well, he will
Jane.
do it here and there for hours. People in our driveway yet.
Oh, yeah. Now here comes the grand finale.
It's too early.
I don't know.
Maybe.
He said, Dennis said that he goes all the way, all through the night.
Yeah, he does, here and there.
Uh-oh, there's another one going off.
He's not done, guys.
Nowhere near it. There's another one going off down there. They got him going off everywhere at night.
He ain't done. Told you.
Oh, no, he's not done.
Is he down there?
I knew as soon as I seen the flashlight that he was.
I don't know.
And there it goes. No, this ain't nothing. That's just, it's getting ready to go again.
Is he down there
Yeah, he's down there.
with the light?
Oh, yeah. He's got a bunch of his guys down there doing
Oh,
it.
I know.
There goes another one off over there. I don't know. I'll have to go in a minute.
There he goes, lighting again.
Yep, there he goes. The grand finale's coming, I'm telling you. I see him, see his flashlight.
I see it, too. Now people are leaving.
Yeah, people are stupid. They don't know nothing.
You ain't seen nothing yet, you all.
They haven't. He's reloading.
Oh my God.
But
What's that
watch. Just gets higher. Watch what happens. Watch what happens.
Look, Brian.
It's higher and higher. Oh no, watch. "15, 16 minutes. Here it comes. Here comes the big one."
Is it?
Yeah, here comes the finale now. Getting ready to do it now.
Holy cow.
Here it comes. 1, 2, 3.
That wasn't very good.
Oh no, you ain't seen nothing yet. Watch. I can see the smoke coming in front of them. Can you see it? I can see it in front of here. Look how thick the smoke is on this camera.
Really?
There they come. Here comes the big ones. I need a mask. I need a mask bad.
There you go. I've got one right here. Here.
That ain't gonna work. There you go. Yeah. Here he goes. He's getting ready to do it. Yeah. That's what he meant too.
He's a redneck.
Yeah.
He's an asshole.
He's makes a lot of fucking money.
He does.
He's the owner, right?
Yeah. Getting ready to happen.
Tim's missing it. Playing up the kill. Right?
He is. That's what he's doing.
What?
Exactly what he's doing.
Every time it goes up, it sounds like a bomb.
Yeah, I know. That's what the dogs do. Or Dixie.
Or a gunshot.
It does sound like a gunshot.
But that gunshot is louder.
18 minutes.
18 minutes of what?
Of
Setting them off.
he's really getting ready to set off right now. He's got them really coming. Look how the lights, look at the smoke.
I see that.
This is how much smoke. I just wanted to show everybody at work. That's smoke coming across my. There goes another one. Big one over there too. Uh-oh, there he goes. He's getting ready to do it.
I didn't see that one.
And,
Kinda.
these people got a lot of money. We live in one of the richest areas in
That's Hatcher Mountain.
Sevierville.
That's a mountain that caught on fire.
Yeah, Hatchet Mountain.
Look at the smoke right here.
I
Right
stand.
next.
When last thing.
I don't think so.
You will by morning. Asthma.
I am getting hungry. Are you hungry, hon?
Come on, guy. I know you're down there. I can't see you anymore, but I know you're there.
No.
That ain't the finale, I can tell you that now.
No.
If it is, he did a shitty job this year.
Either that or they're wet
No, it ain't
from
wet.
the grass.
No. No, he's... Hey!
What? Oh.
He's not done, Jim.